Hello, I am Seth Miles with Texas Skid Steer. I have lot number 1015 in front of it. It's a 2013 Takeuchi TL230 Series 2. It's a great machine. This machine spent a little bit of time out on the ranch. We cleared a lot of land with it. No issues, no fuss. It's got a good smooth edge bucket on it. It's got 2-speed, a good set of tracks, strong undercarriage. These are real nice machines, extremely reliable. It's got 1,934 hours on it, and it is ready to work. I'm going to go ahead and hand the phone off to my mom, and I'm going to show you how it drives. Thank you.